In this video we will learn how to install the current Python version on Windows 10. With that we will also run a sample program. First go to the web browser. On Google type Python and hit enter. On hitting enter the official website is visible. Click on it. Here is the official website python.org. Directly keep the mouse cursor on the downloads menu and the current version is visible, that is 3.14.6. Click on it to download. On clicking the download started, let's wait. We have downloaded the exe file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The Python installation started. Here select use admin privileges. After that select add Python to path. Click customize installation. Here optional features are visible. This will install pip, which is the package manager to download, install and manage Python packages and libraries. This will also install IDLE, or you can pronounce it as idle, which is an IDE to run Python programs. We will see this later also. Click next. Under the advanced option, select install Python for all users. Python will get installed in the following directory, that is under program files. Not a problem, click install. The Python setup started. Meanwhile, you can also check our free Python tutorial. The link is in the video description. We have installed Python, click close. Now let us verify the installation. Go to start, type cmd, click open. Here type Python -- version and hit enter. If the following is visible, that means we successfully installed Python. Close this. Now let us run our first program. Go to start and type IDLE. I hope you remember we installed IDLE while installing Python. Click open. Let us print something in Python. For that use the print method, and within that whatever you'll add will get printed. So here I am printing my name. I'll press enter and it will display the output Amit Diwan. To save this file, go to file, click save as. Save the file anywhere. Let's say I'll save it on the desktop. Here I'll give the file a name. Let's say example. And when I'll save it, it will automatically add the py, that is the Python extension. Click save. Now here a new file will get created. Here it is, example.py. For a free 6 hours Python tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video. We have also added free notes. Thank you for watching.